so what are we doing? Yeah. Let's go kill some ghouls.
My experience, hot shots and big mouths end up with closed casket funerals.
You talking to me? You talking to me? Should just quick save and just
I can't tell if your aim is horrific or spectacular. Either way, knock it off.
At Victoria, Knight.
Whose side are you on? Anyway, let's go kill some ghouls.
Hi.
Wake up, man. I thought you had a mission for me. Oh, what a mess. Too many stim packs.
You're with the Minutemen, right? Get to the point. What do you need?
A pack of feral ghouls has wandered in nearby. It's too risky to have them so close, and we need someone to clear them out.
Well, why don't you do it, motherfucker?
I'm on it. It's as good as done.
I'll be glad to have them gone.
Alright. Get out of my way. Do you want me to do this or not? Get out of my way. You're just gonna stand in the doorway. Okay. Ghoul killing 101. Shotgun. Oh, nothing there now, yeah. Must have imagined it. Oh, yeah, I'll take that and that and that. And keep your swag. So there's a bunch of ghouls in here. So first things first. Oh shit. I'm gonna try with the silencer. Oh shit. Alright. No more plotting, no more planning, it's on. Fuck you. Headshot. Brains everywhere. Oh, whoops. Alright. Stand up, bro. Who's next? Oh, snap.
Anyone you walk away from.
Where are they all at? Let's go wait for them to come to us, I guess. Come on over here. Over here. Oh, snap. It's everywhere. Oh, snap. It never gets old. This is how it would really be in a zombie apocalypse. Everyone would be going for headshots. Oh, look at Valentine just handling business. Dude, that was awesome. Alright, looks like I gotta try to one-up you. I don't want to pick the lock. Let's see if I can find something this way. Oh, here we go, here we go. A quick save. Oh, look at this dude. Brains everywhere. Oh no, you. Oh, she got me. Brains everywhere. Oh man. Okay, alright. No more bats, no more bats. Alright, anyone else? Anyone else? There's someone over here. I know there is. Oh, snap. Oh, I missed. That's alright. Probably rock the stim pack. Yeah, let's get this health going on. Alright, some dudes up here, no doubt.
You want to turn the lights down?
Let's see if I can blow some of them up. Get really sneaky about it. Really sneaky. Oh, they're all up here. Check this out.
Couldn't take long.
Oh, snap. Didn't check. Oh, Valentine's in trouble. Where's he? There you go.
That's one way to get
Valentine, where are you? He can handle himself. Oh, he's in the same room. I know some noob shit right there. Alright, where's the rest of y'all at? Oh, snap. Brains everywhere. Oh no. Alright, now we got serious danger school. I'm healing up. For sure. get some of that. Let's get some of that. Some of that. Some of that. I don't like this guy. I'm scared. Shotgun. Oh, this guy is. He hurts. Oh, I'm crippled. Stim pack. Make everything better. Yeah. Throwing one. Yeah, that's how you take them out. And brains everywhere. Yeah. Oh, I'm running out of shotgun shells. What's he got on him? Some of that shit. Some of that shit. It's alright. It's alright.
Well, this is where they filmed that god-awful TV show.
Oh, you don't like the show? Don't worry about it. You're on the set. Who cares? Moving on. Come on, Nick. I think there's some more downstairs. So says my map. Oh, well, apparently there's someone upstairs. Ugh. It's slipping through my fingers, Nick.
Sure made a mess of this place, didn't they?
Oh, yeah.
Something out there.
Brains everywhere. Who's next? Someone's in here.
Lock's really strong.
Oh, the lock's really strong. Oh. Oh, it fell down. Oh, snap. Brains. Oh, no, this guy's dangerous. Run. Oh, yeah, that was awesome. Brains everywhere. Handled him real good. Grenade G stuff. Picked up a cool piece of armor. What? Oh, Nick, you're just so badass, man. So many moves, so many tricks, and so much flyness. Is that a rad roach? Alright, I think I handled it. I think we're done. Excellent. Well, it's a job well done. What do you think, Nick? On second thought, I like this guy's swag. Now you're naked, brah. Now you're naked. Brains.